this video to show you my techniques for the beautification of the lips. So this young lady wants a little bit more volume. She wants also a little bit more of projection and also soften the fine lines around the mouth. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of volume in the red lips. I'm gonna use a cannula with RHA 2 or RHA Kiss, it's the same one, and with a cannula. So first I do my entry point. An entry point just here next to the corner of the mouth, and as I said, my RHA Kiss to give a little bit of volume right inside the muscle with a cannula. I usually use a 25 gauge cannula, and let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna find my entry point and enter my cannula, go right in the red lips, in the muscle. I can feel the muscle. I can feel that my cannula is in the right plan, and retrograde. I inject 0.1 or 2 of my product. I massage it. Really easy to massage it, and you can see the difference. Same thing for the lower lip. My entry point and right into the muscle. Sorry. Yes. I can feel the muscle. My cannula is doing the right plan and retrograde. Usually I put 0.1 in the center and then a little bit less here. Good. Can you open the mouth? Thank you. You can see the difference between the right side and the left side of the mouth. Of course, I'm gonna do the other side, but just for the presentation, I will go straight ahead with the projection. For the projection, I'm gonna use Kiss to give a little bit of projection, a small drop, right under the mucosa to give this projection. So I use Kiss, but I change the needle. I prefer to use a 30 gauge, sorry, in French it's gauge. Okay. So to give a little bit of projection, I start from the white lips and go just under the mucosa. I feel with my finger to be sure that I'm in the right plan, and I inject 0.1 or 0.05 right inside. Can you open? Yes, thank you. Okay, I start here, go parallel to the skin. Can you open, please? Yes, thank you. Just be sure that I'm in the right plan, and as I said, 0.1 here in the middle, I can feel a little bump here, and it means that I'm in the right plan, and I massage it. A second point, same thing, parallel to the skin, control, and 0.5. Good. And you can see the result. You can see the projection, the eversion of the lips, if you compare to the left side. Good. And we can do the same thing here for the upper lip, same technique. Good. Usually I do 2 points, one here, one here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm in the right plan. 0.05. Perfect. And the second one, I check again, and good. Okay. So now you can see the result, the difference between the right and the left side. And I'm just gonna finish my work in the right side with the blanching techniques to soften the fine lines around the mouth. Are you okay? Good. For the blanching techniques, I use the RHA1, which is really easy to spread inside the wrinkle, and I use the blanching technique. Okay. My needle, 10 degrees, and inside, and a small drop. And you can see it, it's becoming white. So it means that I'm in the epidermis or superficial dermis, just to feel the fine lines around the mouth. You can see here, it's becoming white. And tomorrow, everything will be fine because the product will spread inside the skin to smooth the line. Good. That's perfect. You can also massage it to help the product to spread into the skin. And you can see the result comparing the right and the left side of the lips. So maybe I can show you here the projection comparing to the other side. So of course I'm gonna do the other side, but maybe it's too long for the presentation. Thank you for your attention.